Hey guys, we're in Old Bridge for the renovation update. Do a quick walkthrough of this split. A lot of progress is being made. 6 rooms, 3 bedrooms, a full bath and a half bath. It sits on a 75 by 113 lot. And just a lot of work to go through. Oh, we still got good 6-7 weeks left of work. Sooner, if everything goes right with permits and everything. If you'd like more information, just shoot me a text, give me a call. But still quite a bit of work to go through.
Movie, saw that?
Alright guys, that wraps things up here. Just give you a little peek of what's happening. Need more info? Just shoot me a text or give me a call. Till next time, have a good one.